Hello everybody, I am Drew with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. I got a call from a gentleman to come by and look at the flooring in his single wide mobile home. And it looks like there's been a repair here done before. But I want to show you what you will be dealing with if you tear out your floors on your mobile home. All right, this is it. Generally, the walls that they'll build, petition walls and whatnot, will all be built on a double. Sometimes it's a single. Most of the time it is a double. Any wall, generally, as you can see, even this wall over here was built on top of the floor joist. And if you notice, when you cut your plywood out of one, you don't have anything to nail your floor back to here or on the outside edges. So you're thinking, okay, well, what am I going to do? Well, what I do is I block that out. I block it out from the exterior band all the way in. Generally, that takes two pieces of 2x6 that will go underneath and butt into the outside band, and we just bring it out so that we always have solid blocking on our exterior walls. A lot of people ask me about taking the material out from underneath the walls. Can you? Yes, you can. I don't recommend it. For the most part, I just don't recommend it. I recommend just blocking in if you can. If you're going to start taking out all the material and the flooring that's underneath that wall right there, the next step you're going to run into is you're going to have to take that paneling off on the inside in order to put it back in there. So it's a 1x4 bottom plate, a 1x4 top plate with some studs on that exterior wall. And then that plate is put down on top of the wall, the floor, 3/4 inch. And if you take that out, what you're going to end up coming to is the bottom plate of your wall. It's going to be very difficult to repair or even get a piece of wood back in there. You're also going to have to deal with, because where they nail down the exterior wall, they nail it down through the flooring, and you're going to have all kinds of nails like that you're going to have to remove before you can do your framing back. So I just wanted to give you a quick glimpse. This is another wall. See, you're gonna have to add a 2x4 here because there is nothing to nail your plywood to. So we're also gonna notice that the vents are always gonna have to be replaced. Hey buddy, so we'll have to definitely rebuild this vent completely. Okay. This thing is, that thing is shabby. But yes, we rebuild them vents too, make brand new ones. All right, so I talked to the homeowner down there, and I am going to be replacing that floor. So if you want to see how that floor gets put back, stay tuned, be subscribed, hit that bell notification so you're notified when I do that video. He told me sometime around February 27th. So I plan on doing that somewhere around February 27th. So like I said, subscribe so you know when I'm doing it and you see what I'm working on, and I'll show you exactly how to put all that back together. See you when we get there.